also the shop owner behind the online vintage shop, Country Peony Vintage. So Country Peony is a DIY and craft blog that focuses on simple and inexpensive DIYs to inspire anyone and everyone to create. And Country Peony Vintage is an online shop that is a new venture that's inspired by my thrifting adventures and also my handmade goods. So if you want to see how Country Peony and Country Peony Vintage came to be, then come along. The youngest of 5 children, I grew up in a small town on a small farm in Texas. This is where my love for creating started. My parents encouraged and inspired us to create from a very young age. I went to Texas State University and earned a degree in public relations. Then I worked as a communication specialist and event coordinator. After my husband and I welcomed our 3rd child, we moved back to our small Texas town and I started blogging full-time at Country Peony. Since 2013, Country Peony has featured simple and inexpensive DIY tutorials to inspire anyone to create. In 2020, my love for thrifting and creating sparked Country Peony Vintage, an online shop that features handmade and vintage goods. Thank you so much for following along on my journey. I hope this inspires you just to try and just to start playing with your creative endeavors, whether it's a hobby or it is a job. If you want to see and check out my blog, go to countrypeony.com. And if you want to see my online vintage shop, you can find me on Etsy at Country Peony Vintage. Thank you so much for following along. Until next time,